Every day, across every industry, products rely on invisible bonds to hold them together. From electric vehicles to medical devices, displays to defense systems, adhesion is everywhere. And when it fails, it's rarely the adhesive that's to blame. It's the surface. In modern manufacturing, even microscopic contamination can lead to major issues. Paint peeling, leaky seals, broken bonds, or full-blown recalls. That's why surface quality is one of the most overlooked variables affecting performance, reliability, and yield. This is where Brighton Science comes in. We help manufacturers understand what's happening beyond the surface. It all starts with materials: metals, ceramics, composites, glass, certain textiles, and polymers. But raw materials alone don't guarantee reliability. To prepare those materials for bonding, sealing, or coating, you need cleaning and activation steps that actually work. That might mean grip blasting to remove debris, a solvent wipe to clear oils, or a vapor degreaser to eliminate residue. Only then can you move to surface activation steps like plasma or flame treatment, processes that prepare the surface at the molecular level. That's where surface quality makes or breaks the process. Across industries, Brighton Science has helped hundreds of companies solve thousands of problems that standard inspection tools can't detect. Whether it's aerospace, automotive, electronics, consumer goods, and beyond, we work with manufacturers to uncover and control the surface variables that make all the difference in product performance. And it doesn't stop there. By controlling surfaces across applications like defining specifications, selecting the right materials, and monitoring quality are critical for reliable performance. We also help manufacturers strengthen processes such as customer support and risk management, ensuring confidence, consistency, and quality from development through delivery. Our technology puts surface data in your hands when and where you need it. From the materials you select to the products you deliver, we help you control the surface at every critical control point, places where surface quality can change and where it's essential to verify the condition of the surface, ensuring confidence, consistency, and quality. Brighton Science. Master your surfaces, maximize your performance.